Hello guys, how to stop your Windows 11 device from using too much data? If your Windows 11 device consuming more data without your knowledge, then here are the fixes to minimize the data usage in your system. First is go to settings of your system and here go to network and internet from the left side, click on it. Thereafter go to right side, choose your connection, Wi-Fi, Ethernet or VPN, and here go to your network properties option. Click on it and here metered connection. Some apps might work differently to reduce data usage when you are connected to this network. Then stop to downloading over meter connection. The next method to minimize the data usage consumption in your system, again go to Windows settings, right click on your start button and choose Windows settings, and here from the left side go to Windows Update. Windows Update, automatic Windows Update may consume more data, so pause update for 1 week option, click on it and your automatic Windows Update will disable through this feature. And also go to advanced options and here download updates over metered connection, disable this feature. After disabling download updates over metered connection, your Windows automatic update will not update over metered connection. This will reduce your data usage in your system. The next one is again go to Windows settings and look for delivery optimization option. It may be either network or internet section. Look for it. Go to advanced network settings and it will not available here. Delivery optimization. Go back. It will available in Windows update section. So close this window and again launch Windows Update. Close this window. Delivery optimization is not available in network and internet section. Again go to settings and from the left side go to Windows Update. Here scroll down and choose advanced options. Click on it and here scroll down and you will find delivery optimization. Click on it, scroll down and again choose advanced options and here limit how much bandwidth is used for downloading updates. Set a limit how much bandwidth is used for downloading updates in the background. Set a limit as per your choice. Also set a limit how much bandwidth is used for downloading updates in the foreground. Make the check against this option and change this figure. Percentage of measured bandwidth measured against the update sources. Also set this limit to downloading updates in the background and also downloading updates in the foreground. Set a limit. You can reduce it as per your requirement, as per your choice. And also upload settings. Limit how much bandwidth is used for uploading updates to other PCs and set a monthly upload limit. It will not only reduce the data usage, also free up your data space uses. So set up a monthly limit. Bandwidth is the best option to reduce or minimize the data usage in your system. The next method to apply these issues, go to settings and from the left side go to Windows privacy and security. Sometimes viruses may consume more data, so go to Windows security. From the right side choose virus and threat protection and here choose a scan option. You will find 4 options: quick scan, full scan, customized scan and Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan. Here you will have to choose full scan and finally click on scan now. It will scan your system for viruses and reduce your data uses.